Welcome to Moorknot Canada's demonstration of inserting an inserted loop into a rope. This is what it is. You can mark it anywhere along the way and insert a nice loop that can be really strong. The material can vary, but today we're using number 7 starter cord, and for a loop that's about 6 inches long. This is, you start with a piece of starter cord that's about 80 centimeters or 31 inches for you using that scale. So this is how we go about it. We take the loop and we bend it in half if you've marked your rope, and then you start with inserting it through twisting open the rope, insert it under one of the strands, pull it to about the length you want for your loop, and hold on, we'll go back a little bit. Okay, go ahead, do that again. Okay, we're going to go around the rope, the whole rope, and come underneath it. Leave that loop kind of loose for now. And we're going to take the other one and do the same thing, and we're going to go back through itself the other direction, and then it's going to go pass through the other loop as well, so that both tails are going through both loops. And we pull those tight to tighten it up. You can also pull off the length to take all the slack out, and we pull them really hard. You can lean in on it. Now this alone is doing the job of holding it to the rope. It's right around the rope. It's biting it. When you pull in a sideways direction here, this loop becomes the rope and will not slide away. So that's how we do that, and then we finish it by tucking these tails underneath. Just working along the top of the rope in a way, you could say, tucking it underneath both times in the same direction. Maybe skip one or skip two if you needed, if you had more length, tuck it underneath. And then that tail's tucked down. And then this one here, just tuck them away. This is just housekeeping. They're not doing any holding by this. It's the other knot that's doing the holding. So there you have a nice inserted loop. And we'll do one more just slowly so you can see how it's done. There's another rope. So, opening the rope, tucking the loop material through. The tail goes around the whole rope. This one goes around the rope again the other direction. Have that tail go through. Both loops have the tails going through each other. Pull those loops out sideways. Pull the loop out in the top longer. Just tightening all the tails. There we go. Now you can really haul on a hook or something to make that nice and tight. And then tucking the tails. One direction at a time, one side at a time. Just opening the rope, tucking it in. There you go. Turn it over and do the other one. There you go. This we would sew to a net, or it could be just by itself if you needed a loop and a rope. Anyway, that's an inserted loop. Put it where you want it. It'll hold for a long time. Thank you. Take care.